Hello, have you ever thought about how one sick animal could spark a health crisis in an entire community? I have, and I've seen it. I am Dr. Bolanle, a veterinarian and also a One Health advocate. Every day I witness how deeply the animal health is tied to the human and environmental well-being. But I have also learned that this work isn't a solo mission. It takes a team of vets, farmers, public health experts, and communities working together, because when we protect animals, we protect us all. Happy World Vet Day. Animal health takes a team.